Article 5, the right to equality and non-discrimination. These laws were created by elders and respected community members from different countries who may not be part of the First Nations people but saw a need to make sure that people with disability were treated equal and had the same rights as everyone else in community, including Australia's first people living with a disability. Human rights is about everyone being treated with respect and having the same equal rights to live their own life. The Australian government puts in place laws that support these rights. These human rights are for people from all parts of the mainland and the Torres Strait Islands. They are for all cultural groups. Article 9, accessibility. As a person living with a disability, you have the right to travel any place you want. You can stay overnight or go camping. You have the right to good food and eat what you like, the right to form relationships with whoever you want to, be part of a community and form friendships or join groups, just like everyone else can. Article 12, equal recognition before the law. As a person living with a disability, you have the right to be treated with respect like everyone else. You have the right to travel your own path and live your life your way. You have the right to practice your culture and be recognised as a traditional custodian of your ancestral lands. Article 13, access to justice. If you feel you are not being treated fairly or respectfully by the police or get into some trouble with the law, you have the right to meet with a professional person that can help you with your rights. You have the right to be legally supported if you have to go to court and appear before a magistrate. You can also, in some cases, have a community elder support you in court. Article 14, liberty and security of a person. This means you have the right to live your life the way you want and to feel safe in society. This is whether you are a man, a woman, part of the LGBTIQ+ or Seven Spirits community, the transgender community or multicultural community. You have the right to be respected and live your own life. Article 16, freedom from exploitation, violence and abuse. You have the right to be protected from violence and to feel safe. No one has the right to take your money or things that belong to you. No one has the right to use you to make money, like use your story or sell your paintings without your permission and paying you a fair price. Article 18, liberty of movement and nationality. A person with a disability has the right to live at home with their family or live with somebody else. They have the right to live on their traditional lands if they want to. They can also travel overseas and live and work or just visit other countries and cultures just like anyone else can. Article 19, living independently and being included in the community. As a person with a disability, you have the right to live as independently as you can and to have access to the right services that can help you do this. You have the right to connect to country and culture, your saltwater dreaming, freshwater dreaming, or desert dreaming. You have the right to form relationships and live with who you want. You have the right to participate and be part of your community. Article 24, the right to education. As a person with a disability, you have the right to the same education as everybody else in Australia. You have the right to go to school and be taught by qualified teachers. You have the right to go to TAFE and be taught skills by experts in different trade areas that will help you be qualified to look for work. And you have the right to attend university and obtain higher qualifications from doctors, professors, and community elders. Article 28, the right to adequate standard of living and social protection. As a person living with a disability, you have the right to have proper food, fresh vegetables and meat, fresh water. You have the right to have somewhere safe to live with people that will not harm you, take advantage of you, or steal from you.